You watch, ready?
Are you gonna hang on?
You're gonna keep the camera because it's gonna go flying over there.
Say something and everyone just stops.
Right, you ready for the burger? You ready?
Hurry up, do your flip, or you cannot have your egg fried rice.
It's almost done. Huh?
I'm going to fetch the burger back. Have you seen the
Flying burger? It's there.
Thank you.
Hey Jamie,
It took a life of its own. It just decided, you know, to flop out of my hands and just go flying.
Yeah. Hey Jamie.
Right, let's try this.
One hell of a jump for a burger.
You never know, burgers are very lively. Right, hold on. I need to zoom out.
This is how a burger gets back to its original position. Where it came from.
It's not as fun as a dead burger.
Big. Someone's been well and truly burgered. It obliterated on Stacey.
There you go.
Yeah, would you like some rice? You just got me.
Look, stop. Yeah, film it. Just talk. I'm going to take the
What's he doing? Hold on.
No, I'm having like this. I'm too lazy.
Oh. What are you doing?
He's working for his food.
Hold on, let me look at it in a minute.
Don't hurt yourself.
Work! Come on!
I don't want to be filling up
Stop throwing chips at me.
Work for your food!
Work!
That was kind of it.
Yeah, got it. Whee!
Now you can have your nom.
Yay.
3 noms.
Ow.
Now to clean my camera.
My back hurts. Why does the camera need to be cleaned?
Do it again, Macari. Go again.
Fine.
Go again, Macari.
That's easy.
What the fuck was that? Macari's
And you dropped something.
I didn't see.
Doing all sorts of random things because they can.
You rock to do, you get red ribbons.
Okay, new objective for next year, to be able to do a successful front flip.
But you can now have your rice.
Yes. I was like, what? Do ponytail, no. Pardon me. Pigtails. Pigtails.
Don't steal my ribbon yet.
That's yours.
Huh?
It's yours?
Yeah.
Oh, it was over there.
And actually, where's mine?
Same thing.
I stole it. Yes, you did.